In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vendor to QuickBooks, an essential task to help manage your business finances with ease. We'll go step by step through the process, allowing you to seamlessly integrate new vendors into your existing system. First, let's navigate to QuickBooks. Open your web browser and type in the URL for the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a straightforward and user-friendly interface designed to make managing your finances as intuitive as possible. Next, you'll want to locate the New button. This button is essential for creating new entries in QuickBooks, from invoices to vendors. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various options for adding new items. Select Add Vendor. This will start the process of entering the details of the new vendor you wish to add to your QuickBooks account. Once you've initiated the process to add a new vendor, begin by clicking on Company Name. Enter the full legal name of the vendor's company. Accuracy here is important as it ensures smooth communication and documentation down the line. After entering the company name, you'll need to specify the vendor display name. This is the name that will appear in your vendor list, so choose a name that will be easily recognizable to you or your team. Now let's move on to title, first name, middle name, and last name. Inputting these details helps personalize the entry, which can be beneficial if there's a specific contact person at the vendor's company. It might not be necessary to fill every field, but providing as much detail as possible can be advantageous for future reference. Next, you'll be entering the communication details. Begin with the email field, followed by the phone number and, if applicable, the mobile number. This information is crucial for correspondence and to ensure you can reach out directly to the vendor when needed. Afterward, fill in fields for fax, if relevant, and other, which may include any additional contact methods. Then click on Website and input the vendor's URL. Having the website on file can be handy for verifying information quickly or for sourcing additional contact details or pricing information if the need arises. Next, you have the option to specify the name to print on checks. Make sure this is accurate to prevent any issues with payments. Then enter the address for billing or shipping purposes, ensuring you have the correct details for seamless logistics down the track. For better record keeping, click on Notes and Attachments. You can add any important documents or references related to the vendor, providing you with a holistic view all in one place. Do not forget to add Bill Pay ACH info, which stands for Automated Clearinghouse. This is particularly important if you plan to set up electronic transfers or automate payments to this vendor. Then input additional info, which could cover any special terms, conditions, or agreements you've made with the vendor. Finally, we hit Save. This action will confirm and add the vendor to your QuickBooks list. Remember, saving your work is essential to ensure no data is lost. And there you have it. You have successfully added a new vendor to QuickBooks, which will help streamline your business operations by keeping your vendor information organized and readily accessible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials.